to Finextra. I'm Josie Waite and I'm here at Money2020 Europe in Amsterdam. And joining me now is Reetika Grewal from Silicon Valley Bank, and we are discussing fintech partnerships and innovation. Thank you so much for speaking with me today.
Thanks for having me.
What are some strategies for attracting meaningful partnerships?
Yeah, I think that one of the big things is being open to collaborating with startups in a way that you probably have never collaborated with them before. Looking at the areas where you really complement each other's skills, right? So banks are really good at certain things and startups are great at other things. And so pulling the best of both of you together to help really drive great customer experiences or better ways of doing things, like thinking about like a better customer interface or a better way to do transaction monitoring or fraud screening and things like that. So looking at where you have great assets and how a fintech company could really supplement you.
What are the trends you're seeing among fintech and payments?
So definitely one on the collaboration, which I mentioned before. So a lot more collaboration than there's ever been. Two, there's there's certain categories that we're seeing a lot more fintechs focus on, the last few years. So like InsurTech is definitely gaining a lot of traction. It's something that started a couple years ago, gaining a lot more momentum. Healthcare tech, so thinking about the massive amount of money that moves related to healthcare payments, and so there's a lot of technology services that are coming to bear to help facilitate that. And healthcare as well as banking is known to be sort of laden with paper and process, so there's a lot of opportunity there. Reg tech, crypto, and then recently we're seeing a lot more in the international payments space. So companies from around the world trying to enter into like various markets to facilitate international commerce in a way that is new than what's been done in the past.
So what is Silicon Valley Bank doing to support innovation?
Yeah. So, as you may know, Silicon Valley Bank, it's really in our DNA to support the innovation ecosystem. So we work with startups at all stages of their life cycle, really, really early all the way through to corporates, as well as VCs and private equity firms. And so the way that we think about fintech is really very similar, is how do we support the innovation ecosystem for fintech companies, and thinking about not only banking and lending, but can we leverage the infrastructure that we have as a bank to help power the solutions of our clients? So to the extent that they need to move money, how do we leverage, to my point earlier, leverage the things that we're really good at to help them bring scalable, sustainable, compliant solutions to market? In addition to that, my team, we run an accelerator program focused on early stage companies, so seed and Series A companies that are innovating in payments, fintech, and commerce, in order to really give them that operational mentorship they need to take themselves to the next level. So in addition to those sort of tactical things, in general, we're trying to support the ecosystem as much as we can with events to pull together, startups and VCs, and put like a lot of content around it to help drive good ideas forward.
Thank you, that's so interesting. Thank you so much for speaking with me.
Cool, thanks.
And thank you for watching.